Requested by popular demand, here is my annual room tour. So, of course, I had to bring this back. Coffee study party repeats. I don't really drink coffee. But you enter into my room. The theme this year was like neutrals and grays and stuff. So over here we have my mirror. And then we have my beauty bar, which I just now installed today with my lamp. And here I have like hair products. When I get into makeup, I'll put that stuff, or like just general stuff getting ready in the morning. Don't mind my smoothie cup. I have my TV and refrigerator. Over here is my desk. Lots of storage space to keep stuff hidden. My chair, my very comfy chair. Back here, I have my keys on a hook, jacket of the day, bag of the day, robe, shower cap, and back there. Yes, so back here we'll get to a little bit later. But I have my lights. Guess what? This lamp, free. This lamp, free. This desk, free. So actually the chair I'm going to put with it is this, because originally the desk was this color, but then we spray painted it black. And so I'm going to spray paint the chair black when I get some spray paint. So here's my bed, full size electric blanket because it's like really cold in here. They don't have the heat on. My window, lights. They're not in any really kind of order. Actually, I'm starting to think they're different colors. I don't know. My air purifier is not running because it just makes a lot of noise. I had to feature the Miss Black and Gold. And then over here. Oh, shoot. Okay, over here. Okay, so here's my closets. I have 2 closets. This one is for, I have my hair products in there, like clothes, hats, stuff in there, some jackets. And then in this closet, I have, my pants and jeans hung up. I have my laundry bin, my big towels for the shower, shoes, bags, toilet paper, just extra storage space. And then here is my bathroom. So my accent color is pink, as you can tell. Push to flush, little storage bin things, mirror, and then I have my shower curtain. Yeah.